Alright, what's up everyone? So I just wanted to explain something that I really wish that I knew whenever I was first getting into trading, and that's how to use moving averages, okay? And probably never looking at anything other than the daily time frame. Like the hour is cool to look at if it's really bullish and things are going really quickly, but there's no reason to do that whenever you're trading. Just always stick to the day. I'm going to explain to you how to know when to buy and when to sell. Okay, so this is a script that uses exponential moving average and a regular moving average to tell you when to buy. Basically, it's a 50-day moving average that has a 5-day exponential moving average attached to it as well. Whenever the 50 and the 5 cross, it will tell you to buy. Now I just want to explain how simple this is. Like this is a script that'll tell you when to do it, and you can automate trading. You can automate a trading bot, using this. But this is all it is. Let me go ahead and hide this. Boom! It's a 50-day, and when the price crosses the 50-day moving average, you buy. But I want to just show you how simple that is, but how profitable it is. Like, you wouldn't have touched this absolute shitcoin. This is CRV. I mean, look at this. If you would try to catch any of those, good luck. But you would have waited nearly, like a very, 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 very long time. But I'll prove it on Bitcoin after this. But if you would have bought here, you would have already been up 60%. And 60% on something that was, 50 cents. It's a lot, especially if you're on Binance Futures or something like that. But okay, so take how easy that is to understand. Now let's look at Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and turn on this. So it's absolutely ridiculous. Like, you wouldn't have bought. You don't look at anything. You wait for the buy, and then you wait for the sell. You would 190% profit just by waiting. Here, you would have waited about a week or two, and this, you still would have been in profit. It looks a little bit jumbled up. You would think you would be been able to pick the top, but sometimes it just doesn't happen. You could have used these to deleverage. It's getting closer to this, but ultimately you would have bought somewhere in right about in this candle or this candle. Either way, you would have been down less than 1%, or if you bought in the other candle, you would have been up about 2.5. Okay, and then you would have just had to wait for a confirmed buy, which was back here. Too bad it didn't pan out. But this would have been your stop loss, a 4% stop. That okay, you're out. You would have waited for another buy. This was a proven buy. Let's say you bought even at the top of this candle. This is the day. You're up 20%, and you didn't do anything for about 2 months. Okay, this is almost 2 months you're waiting. You're just sitting, you're just doing nothing. Okay, this is the March crash. These other indicators at the bottom are RSI divergence, and basically it's just telling you that the price is no longer going down. Well, the price is still going down, but the RSI indicator is panning up, so it's trending up. So exponential moving averages are good because they basically let you, they basically prove to you that there's a trend going on. Okay, because it will take the last 5 days, and it will take 5 days for the exponential moving average to move. Okay, so here it would have been another buy, right? Sell. Okay. Almost 40% in 2 months, and then you just wait. You don't want to. Why would you trade this? Why? I mean, you can if you looked at it here. People definitely can trade this. I can't. I can trade this though. I could wait for this buy and then be up another 20%. Why would I trade this? But guess what? Okay, this is the big one. This is Bitcoin right now. You're still in a buy. This is absolutely ridiculous. You would have bought here back in October. Are you kidding me? And basically you would just have to wait for the price to cross this moving average, which it would move up, pretty parabolically. It's actually it's actually ridiculous what's going on with this. This is what I thought was going to happen. I thought we were going to at least bounce. Come test some of these, weekly weekly resistances, but no, absolutely not. What's going on is we possibly, if we pass $20,000, we will blow straight through it, and this won't continue perfectly straight, but you'll see it stop at about 26 through 28,000, guarantee you. If we blow through this, it will not stop. The news stations will be talking about Bitcoin pretty much every day. They wait for it to be here before they blast it all over and tell you to buy. And then this is why there's so much distrust in the public, is because they don't do their own research. They wait for the news to tell them to do something, and then because the news doesn't give a fuck. The news just reports what's going on. I mean, really, this is running out of steam. And you could see here, there's divergences of the RSI, and I mean, there's no way that anyone was able to determine that 20,000 was going to be the top for this run in 2017, but people were able to, I bet, pick the top very, very well, considering it's pretty much a rounded number, and high frequency trading algorithms don't fuck around. So look at this. If you know how to short, this would have been an absolutely amazing short. Oh my god, boom. And then you would have bought here and made like a couple percent, or you could have just sold, shorted again because we were in a bear market. And then look, it's starting to prove that it's finding a bottom, but not really. You were still able to short here if you wanted. Been another 20%. But yeah, you guys get it. If you want to find this this indicator on TradingView, go up to the indicators and strategies, go to public library, and type in SMA buy/sell. Whoever made it was a absolute boss. I think his name is Cody. Oh no, Nick. Yeah, Nick 1008. Anyway, you are a boss. You made me a lot of money, man. I really appreciate it, and I just wanted to share with you guys this. I mean, look, absolutely ridiculous, 217%. And if you really think that it's not solely to, it's to anything. Any investment, you want it to be proven that you're going to make money. Okay, if you're down here, you don't know any of this that's going to happen, any of this. So let's look at it like this. Really, we've been on a downtrend for God knows how long. But look, you're getting signals. These are RSI divergences. I can make a video on that if you guys would like, but you don't know any of this is going to happen. You're going to buy here. You would be winning, but then boom, absolute crash right back down to where you bought, and you would have got an indicator to sell. Okay, you don't even know. This could have plummeted to fucking 20. Who knows? Who really knows? You never know what the market's going to do. But guess what? You got a buy signal. All right, I'm gonna trust the buy signal. I'm just gonna trust my signal, and I'm not gonna get into my emotions and look at the fucking price every single day until I get a sell signal. And you can have this text your phone, you can have this text you, but guess what? You just got a buy signal. It's staying on your 50-day. That means that everyone, maybe not everyone, but most people are looking at this and they're buying at the 50-day moving average. Anyway, all I know is that I just got a buy signal, and now there's my sell signal. Let's see. 132%, I'll take it. It's all right, you know. No, I'm just joking. But then, boom, if you know what you're doing as well, you could put in a short right here. You could have just sold double of what you have, you know. Boom. Made another 30% on the way down. All right, well, you guys get the gist. Thank you. You already know what to do. This is picture it like this. This will be my first video, not the last. Peace out.